Did you know that approximately 1.5 billion people are learning English worldwide? This makes English not just a language, but a bridge to countless cultures and communities. Welcome to Learn English Quickly, where we focus on practical, everyday conversations to help you become a confident English speaker. Today, we'll join John and Mary and learn some real-life conversations. So without delay, let's get started.
Dialogue 1. Discussing dinner plans.
Hey Mary, do you want to grab dinner tonight?
That sounds great. John, what time?
How about 7 p.m. at the new Italian place downtown?
Perfect. See you there.
Looking forward to it. See you then.
Bye.
Dialogue 2. Planning a study session.
Hi Mary, are you free to study together this afternoon?
Hi, John. Sure. What time were you thinking?
Maybe around 3 p.m. at the library.
That works for me. See you at the library at 3.
Great. See you then.
Bye.
Dialogue 3. Asking for a favor.
Good afternoon, Mary. Can I ask you for a favor?
Good afternoon. John, of course. What do you need?
Can you help me review my presentation for tomorrow?
I'd be happy to. When do you need help?
How about we meet at 5 p.m. at the cafe?
Sounds good. See you then.
Thanks a lot, Mary.
No problem. See you later.
Dialogue 4. Rescheduling a meeting.
Hi, Mary. I need to reschedule our meeting.
Hello, John. No problem. When works for you?
Can we push it to tomorrow at 10 a.m.?
Tomorrow at 10 works for me. I'll see you then.
Thanks for understanding.
You're welcome. Talk to you tomorrow.
Dialogue 5. Borrowing a book.
Hi, Mary. Do you still have that book on marketing strategies?
Hello, John. Yes, I do. Do you need to borrow it?
Yes, please. I need it for a project.
Sure. I'll bring it to the office tomorrow.
Thanks a lot, Mary. I appreciate it.
No problem. See you tomorrow.
Dialogue 6. Congratulating on a promotion.
Hi, Mary. I heard the great news. Congratulations on your promotion.
Thanks, John. I'm really excited about it.
You deserve it. When do you start your new role?
Next Monday, there's a lot to prepare for.
I'm sure you'll do great. Let's celebrate this weekend.
That sounds wonderful. Thanks, John.
You're welcome. See you later.
Bye.
Dialogue 7. Asking about a trip.
Hi, Mary. How was your trip to Paris?
Hi, John. It was amazing. The city is beautiful.
I'm glad to hear that. Did you visit the Eiffel Tower?
Yes, I did. The view from the top is incredible.
I can imagine. You'll have to show me the pictures.
Definitely. Let's meet for coffee. And I'll share them.
Sounds great. See you soon.
Bye.
Dialogue 8. Discussing a new project.
Good morning, Mary. Have you heard about the new project?
Good morning, John. Yes, I got the email this morning.
What do you think about it?
It seems challenging but exciting. Are you on the team?
Yes, I am. Looking forward to working together.
Same here. Let's catch up later to discuss it in detail.
Sure. See you then.
Bye.
Dialogue 9. Asking for directions.
Hi, Mary. Do you know how to get to the new cafe downtown?
Hello, John. Yes, it's on Maple Street, near the bookstore.
Oh, I know that area. Is it easy to spot?
Yes, it's right next to the big art gallery. You can't miss it.
Thanks for the directions. I'll check it out.
You're welcome. Enjoy your coffee.
I will. See you later.
Bye.
Dialogue 10. Apologizing for a mistake.
Hi, Mary. I wanted to apologize for missing your call yesterday.
Hi, John. It's okay. I understand you were busy.
I really appreciate your understanding. It won't happen again.
No worries. We can catch up now if you're free.
That works for me. Let's chat.
Sure. Let's go over what we missed.
Thanks, Mary. You're the best.
No problem, John. Let's get started.
That's it for today, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. See you next time as we continue to master English skills together.